Had a, I don't know what you call it, a ghetto car pull up beside me there for a little bit.
Resume the position, face the wall.
A lot of homeless people here. Especially in the winter because the weather's so nice most of the time, at least compared to the rest of the country. And at the city hospital, the one that caters to homeless, is a really top-notch hospital. Oh, we're getting there. We've done our head north. We've done our go east. Now we're doing our go west. And we'll do our go south and return home. I hope you guys can, hope you don't have whiplash now from all the jiggling around. And anybody who's still with me and still listening, thank you. I'd be very curious if anyone finishes all the way to the end of this video, because if you do, please leave a comment at the bottom that you finished, and whether you liked it or not, the fact that you finished give me a sense of accomplishment. So I don't know, maybe you're in a wheelchair, maybe you're bedridden with a cold or something. Morning. And you feel like taking a walk, you can take one with me. And God forbid somebody thinks this is good and wants me to take more walks with more comments. They're tough for me. I'm not a very outgoing person. I'm not very extroverted. I'm more of an introvert. Danielle once said, put me on a rocket to the moon, and as long as I got a place to sleep, eat, and exercise, and be on the internet, I'd be fine all by myself. I don't know. Oh, that's interesting. The sky looks clearer now. It looked really bad a little bit ago. All right, now we're on the southbound leg of this journey, and That American Flag is that little grocery store I passed at about the 8-minute mark on the way up. So, give you an idea that maybe there's about 12 more minutes left in this video. I'm trying to build a YouTube channel. I mean, the main reason is, heck, I'm getting old and I want my kids, and if there's ever going to be grandkids, to know who I am, who I was, and I come to the realization that the journals I've been keeping, my handwriting's so bad I don't think anyone's going to be able to read them. So I'm going to put together some videos so that, you know, people down the lane can take a look and get an idea of what Grandpa or great-grandpa or whatever was like. Plus, it would be wonderful if enough of you people found some interest in some of this stuff I'm putting together, enough to give me some grocery money, because when I go boondogging in the RV at the end of the year, I mean, that's going to be my home, and I'm going to be living on Social Security, which, wow, is not going to amount to very much. It's going to be weird. I'm going to be living in a little tiny box on wheels and praying that I've got enough common sense to live within my means. And right now the means looks like about $1,500 a month, and that's everything. So, you know, even if Facebook were to give me 2 or 3, maybe $400 a month, that could mean the difference between beans every day and then every once in a while getting something nice to eat. We'll see. That's all I can say is put it out there and see what happens. Like the raincoat.
Aw, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Well, I kind of have come to the conclusion that I'll take a look at this video. I've already promised myself I'm going to post it, but then I think I'll do a couple other shorter videos, figure out how to use this GoPro, and then maybe, oh, I don't know, a month or 2 down the road, I'll do this again, where it won't look like I'm going through Earthquake Nation, and I can stabilize this thing a little bit better. But we're on that part where we go down the hill, across the highway, and we'll be done. $43.45. So, sometimes before the 43.45 actually been done already. Yeah, I think I've talked more in this last 40 minutes than I have in the last 2 weeks. For those of you who've stuck with me, thanks for walking with me. Yeah, just thanks. I know there won't be very many young people because attention spans are so short. Some of you people who are my age, in your late 60s, might not mind just kicking back and going for a walk with somebody. We'll see. Good morning again. Hi, doggy. Oh,